Hi.
So guys, we are here back again in action. We are here today celebrating the Muslim festival, which is Hari Raya, but this is pre-Hari Raya shopping, yani ke Ramadan shopping. And you guys know very well, this is the market especially
Why did you say free?
pre-Hari Raya, pre-Eid al-Fitr.
Okay.
Okay, before Eid.
Okay.
Before Eid, this is celebration for a month. This market is open for 30 days and this market is absolutely settled for purchasing clothes, utensils, food, homemade food specifically. My most important thing is that, and then homemade clothes, which is very
Homemade
important.
clothes?
Yes. There are few things they make, you know, the handicraft clothes. And
Oh yeah,
everything they make
handicrafts
by
you mean to say.
stitched by hands. They have their own special markets only for Ramadan-e-Kareem. So we are going to cover this. There are few other sides.
We are going to cover that side
and that
also.
side. But first we are covering the.
We're going to go inside first.
So
We'll show you guys.
also I want to tell you that this is in the middle of the city. They do not celebrate them on the other side. They like to celebrate and share in the middle, so everybody has access to come here and easy to go back. Salamat Hari Raya Eid al-Fitr.
Now in English.
Happy Eid al-Fitr Day to all.
Okay.
So are we here for shooting or are we here
Zaruri
for the music?
जीने के लिए Sun favorite color.
No.
So this is the entrance. Actually we just come from this side. We are heading to explore from this way. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, but I'm excited for the nightlife, the night shift. What does it mean?
Dress only 25 ringgit.
50 means
And it's like
complete.
with the cover though, yeah.
Oh, it's complete. Oh, okay.
Hello, bro.
Hello.
So guys, these shops are made for food because the fast is about to open in an hour. So
At
they are
7 o'clock.
pre-setting up.
Let's be black.
So this is, they make the pre-ready food. They will just hot that and they will make, what is the name of this food?
Hainan.
Hainan.
Rice
Hainan
ayam.
ayam rice.
Yeah.
Okay. Hainan ayam nasi, which is Hainan chicken rice.
Okay.
This is very famous Chinese dish actually, if I'm not wrong. Hainan. Yeah, but it's Muslim shop because Kaka is wearing the
Kaka is his
Muslim
big
shop,
sister.
so Muslims and non-Muslims all can eat.
Yes.
Yeah, so everybody can eat.
Wow.
And
Nice.
Kaka, can you tell us what do we have? What is this sauce?
Sauce, sauce chili.
Chili sauce, I see.
And soy sauce.
Soya sauce.
Kichi soya sauce is that? Yeah.
Ah.
I can see that.
So how much is one?
RM6 and special apa?
Other vegetables I can see. This is the soup they give you for other Malaysian food. Very nice. You can see the whole Malaysian style here. This whole market. YouTuber. Today I'm fasting at the time.
Yeah, he's going to jump on the food.
See? Hot dog. Wow.
Oh, hot dog.
Can you show me? Oh, baby crab.
Wow.
Wow. This is a baby crab.
Yeah, son.
Wow. Oh la la.
Oh,
They are making
wow.
fresh.
Oh, all crab, right?
Wow.
All crab.
Yeah, baby crab.
Oh, baby.
So now I listen why the shop name is baby crab.
Yeah, baby crab crispy. That's why. No wonder.
Abang, have you sugar? Sugar bread or nasi?
Lemang.
Lemang.
Yeah, lemang.
Lemang.
Told to me before.
Yeah, I love prawns. Trust me.
didn't tell
Prawns,
me.
crab, I love them. I maybe not eat fish a lot, but I eat the other seafood.
No, it depends the way they cook. You know, it depends.
Also, yeah, in Malaysia, and this is all the other type of snacks and hot dogs.
Oh, recipe original Penang.
Yong Tau Fo. Yeah. Okay, this is all Yong Tau Fo.
Yong Tau Fo.
You can mix whatever
Okay.
you want. Then you can put then after that put gravy on top of it.
Oh yeah, I know.
Ah.
I see that some Korean buffet like this. They can take, yeah, they can take, you choose everything and then can, yeah. Oh, that's nice. That's new also. I open the park here.
What do you mean? Where you want to open then?
Huh?
भाई मैं कह रहा कहाँ सोच रहा खोलने के लिए 11 type of different juice.
Okay, so everything has been written. The lychee,
Yeah.
orange, Assam
I
boy,
know Tabu, orange Assam bowl.
Imli, Assam boy.
Ah, Imli.
Honeydew.
Okay.
Honeydew, you know the fruit
Honeydew,
already.
yeah.
Look, it's very nice, very tasty. So guys, if you come here in Malaysia, and luckily if you are in Ramadan,
And if you're not fasting at this time.
if you're fasting, so that's perfect. But if you're not fasting and if you're not Muslim, you still must come and try this cultural food. It's
Make your
so
fasting to
amazing.
come here and just try all the food.
Don't forget that, huh? Don't. So guys, this is a shop which everybody likes because
And-
it's a fast food shop.
And San is hungry now.
And you know, no, I am not hungry. We can't do that. It's prohibited, actually, you know, when you're fasting. And you can see the price is very low.
Very reasonable, eh? You can see the type of the food.
The 2 ringgit, around 2 ringgit few cents. You have the whole
Nasi goreng ayam.
Yes.
Out
The
of 10
fried
times,
chicken.
9 times I eat nasi
Fried
goreng
chicken.
ayam because I cannot find other food to eat.
Nasi goreng sotong.
Seafood. I don't eat seafood, so I just ignore that one.
So if you see so many food,
This
now-
is, I like it. Spicy Korean fried chicken.
Yeah.
I love it.
I like this one. Fried chicken
Fried
with
chicken.
cheese, obviously. My
Cheese. Just because of cheese you like
Just
it, I know.
because of cheese.
No wonder.
Rice ball, black pepper, cheese, big crispy chicken. Wow, this is two are very delicious for sure. So guys, this is a shop for those who do not
Ikan
eat
masin.
Selamat Raya. Macaron. Oh, okay, macaron.
Mhm.
And this is the color. They put the color, but
Just nice, like this.
yeah,
Don't look
to
nice.
look nice.
So sweet.
But it's a glucose actually with the glucose. Yeah.
But this is all
and this is
homemade,
a
is it?
pocky.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, just like
Yeah.
cousin brother.
Yeah, kitchen brother.
Flavor coffee.
Oh, this is a flavor.
Ah, this looks nice.
Dunkin' Donuts, let's try.
Yeah, this looks nice.
Sweet.
Yeah. Oh, the peanuts, huh?
Yeah, peanuts to try every time. Oh, this is the ice cream stand. Wow. Wow,
Oh,
this
that's
is
nice. This is nice.
Gaga, your shop is very nice for sure.
Another one. It's not nice, but this flavor is so good.
The taste,
Oh,
if taste is
Same to Ferrero Rocher, but not Ferrero
Ferrero Rocher style.
Coffee.
If you want to buy anything over here, it's very nice. You can buy in $4. $4 you can buy anything you can see here. So the whole shop is $4. Yes, it's around $4. So it's, everything is each thing $4. Very nice and very homemade things. So imagine.
and I tried to. It was nice actually.
Hello, Samadaya.
Expired already. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hey bro, how are you? What are you doing here?
Wow, Sani met his old friend.
Like, where are you working now? No working, why? My very old friend Rambo.
Oh, yo.
My very old friend Rambo.
Rambo.
To see, he know me or not?
Yeah, of course you must, but
But see, I saw him. He recognized you very well, bro. Yeah.
yes, very long time, 7-8 months at least. I mean, terima kasih abang, selamat hari raya. And the cap he's wearing
Goreng
is the
baju Melayu.
Goreng baju Melayu.
Yeah.
He's the Rambo. And this cap is the typical Malaysian
Traditional, madam.
traditional Malaysian
Yeah,
cap.
Malaysian traditional, right?
Assalamualaikum. Apa khabar? Saya boleh cakap Melayu?
Boleh cakap Melayu.
Yes. Nama San.
Saya Faizal.
Faizul. Faizul. His name is Faizul.
Faisal, you must introduce Faisal.
Yeah. So Faizul is the one the shop owner like that.
Yeah.
And abang, itu apa umur? Berapa umur?
Ada dalam umur setahun sampai umur 12 tahun.
Berapa ringgit?
Dalam anggaran 60.
Okay. Okay. So this small dress for 10 to 12 years of boy is 65 ringgit, which is approximately around $15. Around $15. Yeah. So it's around $15, not exactly a little bit maybe lesser. So now he's showing us how to use the Malaysian dress to wear the upper side. Okay. Let's
And
see.
San is so excited.
Guys, this is the style. Sheikh, Assalamualaikum, Selamat Ramadan, Selamat Hari Raya, Selamat Selamat puasa also. Okay, abang.
Alright.
Lu mau jadi panglima?
The guy, don't forget to visit this shop, Raj Exclusive. The guys are so friendly.
Yes, sir.
Wow, it looks nice. Wow, looks like for the wedding, you know.
Yeah.
Right? Oh,
Free gift. Oh, the
Oh.
couplings are free gift.
yeah.
Beli baju sama-sama.
I love.
Please check and come here on this shop when you come next time.
Yes.
Rizal and
This guy always excited to come in the video.
Come.
Thank you so much.
So guys, this was the section 1 of the market. We
Yeah.
will come back soon with the next part.
We will cover the night shop, night market.
Yes, we will
Yeah.
cover the night shift and then
Night shift.
night shift means night shift of the market lah. The night shift of the market and
Yeah.
then we cover all this place.
Uh.
How the people are coming after the fast. How they come and shop for the clothes.
Maybe the crowd will be more because
yeah,
we sent
don't know
the.
the crowd will be more.
Don't see many crowd as so far now, but we will go into.
And yes,
cover.
this is my friend
Yeah.
Rambo from Yaman. We suddenly
Rambo.
meet today. Yes, we suddenly meet today.
Rambo.
Yes, this is Rambo. Yes. So we will see you soon. To be continued. Thank you so
Yeah.
much and bye bye.
Bye bye. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. Thanks.